Hello guys, I am Sarvesh. Today we are going to see an unboxing and review about a Bluetooth receiver for car stereo and home theater. I'm Sarvesh Rao and you're watching Sarvesh Rao YouTube channel. Come on, let's start. So this is the parcel from my Snapdeal. Now I'm just opening it up. So this is the Bluetooth receiver. Now let's open it up. This is the Bluetooth module with aux cable on one side and USB on other side. And this is the aux cable jack. Now let's take our phone and let's see. So first I'll give power to this. So I'm just using the OTG cable from my another phone. Can also use this. I have mentioned the OTC's features in another video. So it has now turned on. It's now searching for Bluetooth devices. First, then I'll just open this up, and here's the aux cable. It's somewhat small. It's very small, and this is my speaker, Sony Lex speaker. And I want this to be connected. So it has headphones and aux, USB, everything, but it does not have a Bluetooth. Now I am connecting this aux cable to this aux jack and powering it. So now it has turned to aux, and this is my Bluetooth. Now I am taking my phone. I'll keep that apparatus aside. And my phone, going to Bluetooth settings. So available devices, refresh, BT163. It's now pairing. So it has been connected. Now I come to home and just play an video song or something. So I just keep volume.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now.
So now I come back and hello guys, I'm Sarvesh. Today we are going to see what are the features you can do with this USB OTG. OTG is the USB on the go cable. So the OTG cable has micro USB on one side and USB 2.0. So now let's see what are the features that are available with this OTG cable. I'm Sarvesh. Check out this video in my channel, as now I am connected this Bluetooth device with OTG. So if I call the call comes to the phone and does not go to the speaker. That's all. You can also use a power bank to power this app, and you can also plug it into an to an port, to an plug in your house if you have, or you can put a charger like this and just plug this USB in. So this is just apparatus. So power comes from here. This is the Bluetooth module, and this is the aux which goes to the speaker, and everything is connected via my phone, and you can play anything you want. Audio comes to your big speakers. If you have any good quality Bose quality speakers, you don't have Bluetooth in that, so you can buy something like this and you can enjoy. So guys, I know you would have liked the video. Like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon near the subscription button and get notifications right first from my channel. So enjoy this Bluetooth device by connecting to all your devices, I mean all your speakers, and enjoy. The link for this Bluetooth device is right in the description below. I'm Sarvesh and you're watching Sarvesh YouTube channel. Thank you. Tip: you can also use this in your car stereo.